Hello everyone, welcome to the next video in PowerShell with Azure series. And till now we have covered a lot of AZVM commands and regarding the virtual machines information, how to fetch it, how to get the information and all, management commands and all. But from now onwards we are getting a step ahead, and before we start or before we deploy a VM with the help of PowerShell, let's try to understand the resources required to create a VM. When you create a VM with the help of Azure portal, you need a virtual network for sure, right? You need network interface, you need security groups, and all the relevant resources. So before we go ahead and deploy a VM image, VM, not the image, but we also need the image during that time. So let's go step by step, and in this video we'll create a virtual network inside a resource group. So let's create our first resource from PowerShell. Uh, our aim is to get the virtual network done and also the subnet, but we know we only create these things once we have the resource group in place. So let's do resource group, AZ resource group. Okay, name, yes. Let's do PSRG, and location, let's put it in West US. Cool. So our resource group has been created. Now we need to create a virtual network. Okay, so as I have already told you, the best way to get the information is, the verb and noun thing, and simple English. It would be new AZ virtual network, right? Network, then resource group name would be PSRG. Okay, location West US, and name PS bnet. Okay, now address prefix b10.0.0.0 slash, let's put 16. Now if you see, I have not done anything extra. When we create a virtual network inside the portal, we put the name, we select the resource group, we select the location, we put the name and the address prefix. Same thing we have done with the help of PowerShell. But now the beauty is you need to see, you gotta add the uh, subnet configuration later. So let's create virtual network first, and I'll show you how to add the subnet config. Okay, so I hit the enter. It would take some time and it will create the virtual network. There we go. Okay, all right, now we need to add the subnet inside this virtual network. Okay, so how we can do it? Let's do add AZ virtual, not the gateway but the network subnet config. Okay, name default, we are giving the name default to the subnet, or you can give subnet 1. Okay, now we need to put the address prefix. Let's put 10.0.0 0.0/24. Okay, now it requires, like, this is the subnet, but where you want to put it, you want to put it in the virtual network. Okay, but it will not pick the name. That's what I wanted to show you. For example, if you put PS VNet, it will not pick. Okay, so we need to get the entire information of the virtual network. Okay, so how can we get it? Let's see if we have any command. Get AZ virtual. Yes, so we can get it under VNet. Okay, get AZ virtual network. Resource group name PSRG, name PS VNet. Okay, doesn't have name. Resource, it's a resource group name. That was my eyes, couldn't see it. Name PS VNet. Cool. Now we have the information of entire virtual network here, you can see. Okay, cool. Now we can put this information under this. Right. This is what we ran. Virtual network. Here. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Dollar VNet. Yes. See, it has been added now. But we need to set the virtual network just like we update something after adding it. So how would we set it? Now let me see first if we have that information in our virtual network. How can we get? We'll not touch the portal. Only then we can learn the PowerShell, right? So we can do get AZ virtual network. Okay. Resource group name PS VNet and name PSRG, name PS VNet. Okay, let's see what all information we have. Do we have any information like subnet? Subnets, we have subnets. Okay, select subnets. We have no subnets here. It shows nothing. What do you think it should show? I think it should show us the subnets. So let's try to set AZ virtual network. Cool. Now we have the subnet one. See, this is what I was talking about. So what happens? It actually hit it inside the uh, PowerShell session. It is more like it jot down everything. Now you gotta set it, just like once you change anything through the PowerShell to update the VM. Okay, so that's what we need to do. So if you do, so this is how you create the virtual network. This is how you create the resource group, and that's how you add the subnet. Similarly, you can add more subnets to it, but always remember, once you add the subnet, you need to set the AZ virtual network. Okay, well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. You have a good day. Bye bye.